Hi guys, I would like today share with you how to set up correctly MetaTrader 4. It's very important to have the same settings on every time frame. Okay, why this? Because if you have correctly set up your MetaTrader 4, you can check immediately support and resistances and switch from one time frame to another simply and clearly. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, yeah, this is the correct view for your desktop or laptop. Okay, MetaTrader 4 for your mobile, it's very different, of course. You can check prices for Forex on your mobile, but support and resistance indicated by the grids are so different from those you can see on your desktop. Now, from left to right, okay, you can check for 35 boxes, okay? Horizontal 35 boxes and 15 boxes for vertical line, okay? Market watch on the left, okay, is currently settings. You can use this line, okay, to drag from left to right to obtain 35 boxes in horizontal. This line, on the contrary, okay, are the line you can drag up and down to have 15 boxes in vertical. This is very, very important because if you have grids correctly settings, you can have immediately support and resistance to trade instead of calculated by hands. Okay, so this is the first video to learn how better trading Forex without lose your money. Keep in touch for the next video.